So you've responded to a train derailment and you'd like to know what chemical commodities are in the rail cars. You need to locate the consist. Well, you're going to identify the consist utilizing the reporting marks on a train car that has derailed. But you will find that consist with the conductor of the train. Typically that conductor will be found near the locomotive or at the nearest rail crossing from where the locomotive is. Additionally, utilizing the Ask Rail application, the phone application, you can find a consist as accurate as the last time it was scanned across a rail crossing.